G'day, I'm Alex from Kallipr and welcome to our S2 battery demonstration. At Kallipr, we are one of the few companies in the world that have successfully managed IoT deployments at mass scale. Now, to do that, we've worked pretty closely with our customers and we've gained a pretty unique insight into what problems they're trying to solve and how they're successfully overcoming those challenges. Now, we've incorporated all of that into our S2 product, and to understand how we've solved those challenges, I want to highlight the most important one really, which is battery. And some of the biggest questions we get asked are, how long does the battery actually last? And am I going to know when it's about to run out? And more importantly, can I replace it myself, or do I need to send it back to a lab to be replaced? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full walkthrough of our S2 battery system. I'm going to highlight some of the features like its ability to retain an IP68 rating even after an in-field battery replacement, intelligent battery management systems in the back end, and the batteries themselves, all of which make this a world-first innovation. Now, what does this innovation look like? Well, in this hand is a battery and this hand is the device. What I can do is change this battery in under 30 seconds without any special tooling. And not only that, but we're going to have a single, a dual and a 4-cell battery variant available, which will allow you to double or even quadruple your solution life. And having a 4-cell battery is going to give you 20 years of life. Now, to put that in perspective, Facebook and Gmail first went live 20 years ago, and people were walking around with slider phones like this. Now, I don't know about yours, but this thing stopped working years ago. And so to help explain this, I thought I would set up a little demo for you. And this should hopefully explain why a multi-cell replaceable battery system with an intelligent battery management backend is going to save you money in the long run. Now imagine this is a single data logger with a single cell battery in it, and it's chewing into its battery one time every day. And a device connecting once per day is going to chew through its battery pretty consistently, and because I know the size of the scoop, or the consumption, and the size of my battery, I can safely guess when this is going to run out. That is, of course, unless the size of my scoop changes. Now, that could be alarms going off when you're not expecting them, or even just threshold alarms that you've configured. It could be a firmware upgrade that takes a huge chunk of battery, and then another bug fix that you weren't expecting. Now, all of a sudden, what I have left in my battery isn't what I was expecting at all. My predicted model is completely out of whack. Now that means where I was expecting my device to last 5 years, now only lasts 3. Now, even if you do completely run out, our new patent pending battery technology means in under 30 seconds, you can just swap a new one in. It means that you can continue to log and monitor your assets without interruption. But that doesn't completely solve the problem. We also need an intelligent battery management system sitting on the back end to ensure that we're precisely monitoring exactly how much battery energy is being consumed, whether it be unexpected alarms, firmware upgrades, or just new sensors that consume more energy. Having a system like this allows us to monitor the energy being consumed and accurately predict when this battery is going to run out, rather than just throwing that away and guessing when we need to swap the battery. Now, given this, we're going to bet that you're going to want to replace your battery. So, to ensure that you know exactly when that's happening, and it's not happening when you don't want it to, we built in smart, so as soon as someone starts to unscrew the battery from the device itself, you get a notification. But worrying about those notifications, we'll leave that up to you. What you don't need to worry about though, is what to do with the battery after you've taken it off the device. We've thought of that too. The ability to remove the battery and the plastics from the major electronics housing ensures that we can easily recycle each of these components. And even after replacing your battery, you're still going to retain your IP68 rating of the device, which is good for 5 meters depth. And if you want to put that claim to the test, head to our website to find out more. I know I'm excited to see where I'll be in 20 years when this thing is still going.